Upbeat music plays. The screen fades in with the Buy Smart logo. Cut to the two steam mops, Kenmore SM2050 on the left and Neugo Steam Mop on the right. Welcome back to the channel where we help you navigate the wild world of consumer products. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy showdown between two heavyweights of the cleaning arena, the Kenmore SM2050 and the Neugo Steam Mop. If you're tired of mopping up after your kids, pets, or the occasional pizza party gone wrong, stick around as we compare these two steam cleaners in various categories. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. The Kenmore SM2050 comes in at a sweet $89, while the Neugo is priced at $109. Reviewers appreciate the Kenmore for its affordability and good value, with many highlighting its effectiveness and lightweight design. On the other hand, Neugo has been praised for its reasonable price and effectiveness in cleaning, though some users note that it's a bit pricier. Overall, if you're on a budget, Kenmore takes the first round. Now, let's get steamy. Both these mops promise a chemical-free clean, but the Neugo cranks it up a notch with a sizzling 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam. Reviewers love the Neugo for its germ-killing heat and cleaning capabilities, especially on tough stains. The Kenmore also offers a powerful clean, removing 99.9% of dust and dirt, and is appreciated for its quick heating time. So if you love the idea of scalding your floor while cleaning, Neugo might just be your steam mop soulmate. But if you want to keep it chill and just get the job done, Kenmore has your back. Next up, let's talk versatility. The Kenmore not only cleans hard floors, but also carpets and upholstery, making it a versatile option for users. Reviewers often mention its ease of use on various surfaces. The Neugo also stands out with adjustable steam modes for different floor types and a removable water tank. It's well regarded for its ability to clean grout lines and stubborn stains. So in the versatility department, it's a tie. Both mops can handle their business, but one might just be a little more flexible than a yoga instructor. Now let's dive into user-friendliness. The Kenmore boasts swivel steering, allowing you to glide around furniture with ease, which many reviewers appreciate. Meanwhile, the Neugo features an adjustable height design and a long 23-foot cord. Users love the Neugo for its ease of assembly and effective cleaning without leaving streaks. In this round, Neugo wins for making life a little easier. In summary, both the Kenmore SM2050 and Neugo Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses based on user reviews. Kenmore is often favored for its affordability and lightweight design, while Neugo is celebrated for its powerful cleaning capabilities and user-friendly features. Both products have received positive feedback, making them solid choices depending on your needs. So there you have it, folks. The Kenmore SM2050 and Neugo Steam Mop are both solid choices depending on what you're looking for. If you're on a budget and want a reliable cleaner, go for the Kenmore. But if you're ready to invest a little more for fiery steam and user-friendly features, the Neugo might just steal your heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.